Everything to the goddamn joists. I'm telling you, man. This property, this motherfucking property gave us problems. That's one room. Here's the other room. Took out the floorboards. Took out the hardwood floors. Damn near to the joists, brother. To the motherfucking foundation. And then cover and redo a brand new hardwood floor. Same here, all the way here. Gotta take all this one out. Gotta take all this shit out. Motherfucking chimney came down.
Cause you be on bullshit. Man, this motherfucker trying to take our pictures. Hey, he got us on Facebook, huh?